You gonna go to the store?
She moved out just after 2 years.
You gonna drive to school? You gonna drive to school?
Bye.
She's just chilling. Loving every minute of it. I'm driving down to Jim and Kathy's. Oh, cockleburst.
You're riding?
Oh,
You're not riding, you're driving.
Should have put the UV filter on my lens.
oh, it's
Might be time to perform some Grand Theft Auto.
yeah.
Because
I mean, like-
anything I'll ever own.
Where's your mom at?
See how
Bet it
white
is.
everything is?
Mom, she was at the door.
Not anymore.
It's a comb.
Oh. That's it. There you go. Here, turn the other way.
Steer.
Turn the other way. Turn
Turn. Turn, turn.
left. Turn left.
Good job. How much of this is she doing? How much are you doing?
I'm doing most of it.
Okay.
Keep her eyes on the road.
We'll teach her to drive after she's the excitement of having it's kind of wore down a little bit. And she's steering now.
Hungry.
Wow.
She's turning it.
Hey guys, I won this year. I
What?
made mom cry.
Ah.
I wrote the note on it.
Oh, nice.
Little Mercedes. This is hilarious. In her dress. And wind blowing in her hair.
Teach her to run over pedestrians. Here, I'll be the first one.
Yeah, Mom.
Here we go again.
Push the horn. Aspen, make the horn go.
Honk the horn.
Make the horn go beep beep. Not you, the horn.
Yeah, yeah.
Does the hood actually pop?
Yeah, it comes out.
By next week. I've gotten a few, but mostly video.
Uh-oh. Okay, that's her. And she's like, let's go.
Let her hit that
Hold it
car.
down. Hold the pedal down.
Could be.
Push the pedal and hold it down.
Wait, that's your car, isn't it?
Push it. There you go.
Are you steering for her? Or is she...
Yeah.
I think it might be starting to run out of juice.
No, that's just her.
That's